Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are feeling great. My name is Shade. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to show you how I make this delicious shaki. And if you know you don't like the smell from shaki, this video is for you. So if you are interested, sit back, continue watching, and let's get started. So guys, here is the shaki that I'm going to use for this recipe. I've cut mine to this size. You can cut it to your own size, or you can just as well leave it like that if you don't want to cut it. So the next step, I'll be adding some hot water. So now I will add some vinegar, and I'm going to stir everything together with a wooden spoon. Then I will leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can also use some salt if you don't like vinegar. So it's time for me to wash the shaki. I'm going to wash it until the shaki is very clean. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, tell me, what are you still waiting for? Run now and hit that subscribe button. Remember to set the notification bell icon to all. That will definitely notify you anytime I upload a new video. And please, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That is just the only way you have to promote this channel. I'll be very happy if you do that. And for my old returnees, thank you for always stopping by. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So now I've finished washing the shaki. I'm going to leave it inside this filter because I want all the water to drop out. If you can't wait, you can just take a paper napkin and dry it up. It's time for me to start spicing the shaki. I will add some chili pepper, some ginger, seasoning, and salt. So I'm going to make sure I massage everything together so that all the spices will penetrate very well inside the shaki. I'll cover it. I will allow it to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's time for me to place it in my oven tray, and I'm going to put it in my oven. I will set the oven for about 180 degrees for 40 minutes. But after 20 minutes, you want to go back to your oven, use your wooden stick to stir it so that the both sides can dry very well. So guys, if you know you don't like eating shaki because of the smell, try this method and let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. Here is the end result, guys. So beautiful. You can use it to cook stew, soup, eforiro, anything you think of is good to go. So now I'm going to put it inside my Ziploc bag. I will leave it inside my freezer. Anytime I want to cook, I'll just take it and put it inside my soup. So easy as that. Thank you so much if you have watched to this moment. I really appreciate, and I'm going to see you all again in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.